Hi, I'm Charmaine Singleton. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very beautiful cross. You can use it as a bookmark, keychain or locket. To begin, you first make a magic ring. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now you make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and make 3 double crochet in a magic ring. Now chain 2 once again, and you'll repeat 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2 once again, 1, 2, and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, and now you chain 2 and slip stitch in the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Now you have completed the first step, and this looks like a square. Now you'll slip stitch until you reach the chain space. Now you chain 1, 2, 3 and make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Now chain 2, 1, 2. Now make 2 double crochet. 1, 2, chain 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch in the same space. Now slip stitch until you reach the chain space. Now once again chain 3, make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Now chain 1, 2, then you make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Chain 3 and slip stitch. Now you slip stitch until you reach the chain space. Now chain 3 and make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Now chain 2 and make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Chain 3 once again and slip stitch in the same space. Now once again you will slip stitch until you go to the chain space. Chain 3 and make 2 double crochet once again. 1, 2. Once again chain 2 and this time make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now once again you slip stitch until you come to the chain space. Now turn your work to the right side. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Chain 2, 1, 2 and make 2 double crochet once again. 1, 2, now chain 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch in the same space. Now this very beautiful cross is ready. Cut the excess yarn and pull through. If you use any of this metallic cord, you got to burn the edge. I hope you have enjoyed this very simple tutorial. In case you find this tutorial interesting, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day ahead.